how to host your website with Infinityfree. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can host your website for free using Infinityfree. So let's get started. So there we go, this is the Infinityfree site. You can host your website for free. First of all, you have to head over to infinityfree.com. Right here you can see the address here. Let's close it up. So after visiting this interface, we can check out this. Once you can scroll down, you can tap on to register now if you want. You can check out the free hosting features. You can get 5 GB disk space, PHP 8.3, free subdomain names, 400 MySQL databases, and etc. Also free SSL certificates. So you can see these options here, services. Now let's head over to our main steps. Tap on to register now, this option. And now you have to enter your email address, your password, and you have to confirm your password and check this icon. Then you have to tap on to sign up. Also, you can just sign up with Google if you wish to, and then tap onto your Google account, which the one you want to continue with, then tap continue. So after tapping on to continue, here you can see this create account option. Just tap on to create account. Just close this ad for now. So you can check out the offers of Infinityfree right from here. So the first one is $0, which is absolutely free forever. You can get 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains, email accounts, panel, control panel, unlimited hits, and all other offers you can see here. Also, they offer more options here, premium one, super premium, and ultimate premium. I can check out their offers. For example, the starter premium offers 5 GB disk space and 250 GB of bandwidth, which is really great. And here you can see it can host one hosted website domain, one email account, and on the super premium you can get 100 email accounts, 20 hosted domains, 250 GB domains, and other offers. And on the ultimate premium offer, you can get more of these, like you can get for every one of them for unlimited. So now let's tap on to create now, as we are gonna go with the free version today. Now you have to tap and choose your domain name. You can choose your domain extension from here. You can just choose them. Now you have to enter your domain name. For example, I'm gonna enter Espresso. Okay, now you have to check for availability. So now you can enter account username, which will be generated automatically. You can choose account password, you can choose email, and then tap on to create account. So there we go. This is how you can create an account using infinityfree.com very easily, and this will just take a few minutes. The page will continue automatically. So there you go, you can see this. It's saying that this will take a few minutes. You just have to wait until then you will see the results of it. Let's see how it turns out. And while we are creating a free hosting account, I'm gonna show you how you can buy a domain using any other domain if you want. For example, you can use GoDaddy. Also, you can use Hostinger. There's another website called Namecheap, which offers really cheap offers. Here you can see domains and hosting, Hostinger, and GoDaddy. On all of them, this is pretty much the same. To buy a domain, just you have to simply tap onto the search bar and search for your domain name. You have to enter your domain name and then search for domains, and then you can just buy these domains from here if you wish to, by tapping on to make it yours. This is same on the other platforms. For example, this one and also this one. You can just buy a domain of you and then you can start selling it. And there we go. You can see this. It can take up to 72 hours for new domains to accessible everywhere. So you have to wait for 72 hours for your new domain to accessible everywhere. And this is caused by DNS caching. Here you can see this, which is Infinityfree cannot control, but there are some workarounds you can try. So if you want to try the workarounds, you can tap on to learn more. And from here you can control your panel, your file manager, website builder, script installer, etc. You can build website for free using Infinityfree website. So let me show you how you can do it. You can choose previously made templates, or also you can choose this blank template and you can start from the scratch. But for now I'm gonna use a template to make the video shorter. You just have to choose the template, and from there you can just drag and drop everything. You can edit every single thing by just clicking onto that option. And let's say you want to add some pictures, then just tap onto the picture option here at the top corner here, and from there you can just choose a logo, icons, etc. You can choose images from here, and you can tap onto full media library by clicking onto this. But for now I'm not gonna add any images. Let me show you again. So there are images. You can click here to select pictures. You can tap on to add new and upload from your files very easily, for example this one, and let it load, and then you can just select it up and upload it. You can tap onto this YouTube media. You can add YouTube video links if you wish to. Also you can add this one. These ones are just images. Now you can customize the text according to your need. Just customize them according to your preference, and then make them bolder, change the font, and then tap done. So this is how you can do it. And after following every step, simply tap on the publish options, and after clicking onto the publish option, it will take a little bit time to publish your website, and you just have to wait till then. And there we go, and let the page reload. You can also check out these other offers from here. You can control panel. By tapping on the control panel, you can visit your control site. So here you can see this, the visit panel option. So this is the custom panel of your website. You can check out. You can update contact email from here, and etc. You can just edit them if you wish to. So as you can see, the website has been published. So let's check it out. Let the web page load. So this is how you can use Infinityfree to host a free website. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. And till then, take care, goodbye. Let me know that what type of video you want to see. As you can see, I am having some network issue, that's why it's not syncing up to here. I cannot view right now, but in a few hours I am hoping that the website will be available. So that's it. Goodbye, see you onto another video, and try Infinityfree and let me know that how you used it and about your experience. Goodbye.